We'll continue with the story problems, and we'll take a look first at question 15. As you can see, 15, 16, 17, and 18 are all the same type of question, so you're going to do the same thing in 16 through 18 that we're about to do here in question 15. It says if Q is the number of quarts of lemonade, then 1/4 Q can be used to find the number of cups of lemonade mix needed to make the lemonade. How much mix is needed to make each amount of lemonade? And you can see in question 15 they're asking about 2 quarts. So remember, as we talked about many times last year, the topic is a good indicator when it comes to story problems. If the story problem is in the question about evaluating algebraic expressions, there's a pretty good chance they want us to evaluate an algebraic expression. And that's exactly what we're going to do. In this case, we're going to change Q into 2, which is the number they presented to us. So we're going to do 1/4 times 2 to find out how many cups of lemonade mix they need. Now remember, for 1/4, you've got a couple different options, especially if you're calculator bound. You can take the numerator and divide it by the denominator, so do 1 divided by 4 on the calculator, and when you press equals, that'll spit out 0.25, which you'll then multiply by 2. If you want to go more fractional or just don't want to bother changing it to a decimal, but you still want to use a calculator, you can do 1 divided by 4 on the calculator and put that in parentheses and then multiply by 2, and that will get you the same answer. Of course, we can just multiply this out long way. It's not a difficult question. That's going to change into 2/4, which reduces to 1/2, or if you'd like that answer as a decimal, 0.5. So you're going to end up needing 1/2 cup of lemonade mix. Okay, question 19 says if M is the number of minutes a taxi ride lasts, then 2 plus 0.35 M can be used to find the cost of a taxi ride with Bill's Taxi Company. How much will it cost for a 12-minute taxi ride? So here again, they've given us the expression that they want us to work with, 2 plus 0.35 M. And again, we can see what that means here in the context. But again, in the end, it's going to be equal to the cost of the ride. It's a $2 flat fee plus 35 cents a minute, in essence, is what they're saying here. And it's a 12-minute taxi ride. So we're going to go in here and change out the M to the 12. So I've got 2 plus 0.35 times 12. And now I'm going to solve, and that'll give me my cost. Again, I'm going to apply the order of operations. So this 0.35 times 12 part is going to get done first. Not a bad calculator problem. That's 4.2. So this is the same as 2 plus 4.2, which is going to change into $6.20.